Make your beds every single day. It's a great way to feel better about yourself. And if you do nothing the rest of the day, you've achieved quite an accomplishment by making your bed. And when you walk into your room, when your bed's made, it looks that much cleaner and nicer. I just have to fluff it out. It didn't get too messed up last night, so that's always great. My children do not like flat sheets, and I don't force them to have them. They do like extra blankets, especially my older kid who's almost 18. I've already made Jaclyn's bed this morning. My husband made our bed. Made bed. Get your beds made as soon as you get up, like I said, and your room will feel that much better and that much neater. And you'll be glad you did after a long day of work coming home and finding your bed all nice and tidy.